Welcome to Hikebytes, and today we're taking a venture off the trail and onto the water. We're going to paddle from Tilda Cove into China Cove, a hidden stretch of water just north of Pirates Cove Beach. It's sheltered between two jetties, and out here the water is warm, the views are tranquil, and the reefs are perfect for snorkeling. Stick around and I'll show you the exact route so you can experience this special harbor escape for yourself. If you decide to have this adventure, you can find links in our video description to park right above Tilda Cove in the neighborhood. Every Hikebytes videos will have those links for you for any destination we feature. Just at Ocean and Fernleaf, you'll find the stairway that leads you down to Tilda Cove. It's quite the view as you head there. So as always, no one's here. We're going to set up our paddleboard and go to the right towards China Cove. So I'm testing the water temp. It's about 68 degrees. I'm not going to wear a wetsuit on this one. We just came back from Little Corona swimming with seals. And now we're going to paddleboard to China Cove from Tilda Cove. We'll have all the directions, links, and video description as always. And that's the wedge. Right over there behind that jetty is the wedge. And just to the left of this house is Pirates Cove. All right, we're gonna get our paddle game on. We'll see you out in the water. It's time to blow that thing up. Let's get our game on, let's go. All right, we're headed to China Cove. We got everything we need. We got our dry bag, our fins, water, snorkel, paddle attached. We got wetsuits in case it gets too cold, and our Jimmy Rig long leash. Look how much stuff we got on this paddleboard.
And you could put more if you wanted to.
Yeah, we got all these hooks to hook up whatever you need to bring. All right, I'm gonna mount this to the front and you can kind of see how we get there and how everything goes. All right.
Let's go, guys.
Let's do it. All right, we started our journey. Heidi wanted to paddle first. Happy to let her do it. Yeah, this is pretty cool. Floats two people really good. Got the 11-footer. Making our way to China Cove, which is over here. Some people call this China Cove, I don't know why, but it's around that building. I think maybe they're the same.
Yeah, I think I don't know. Maybe it's all part of the same.
I love paddleboards because you get such a good view. I can see if there's any great whites underneath us, and at least I can say a prayer before he eats us.
Yeah.
All right, we'll give you a little progress a little further down the road.
We're going out into the main water.
Uh-oh, Heidi, don't crash us.
I know, I'm trying.
We have a seal right in front of us.
A sea lion, he was huge.
Oh, he was huge?
Yes.
Sea lions are cool because they got that bend in their back.
There he is.
There he is. Whoa, big boy over there. Dang.
He's huge. He's so cute.
Look at all these private beaches.
Kind of close.
There he is. Hope I can see him. Maybe you could pour it on, Heidi. You want to give me the paddle?
Yep.
There he is. Right? You see him?
Yep.
We're going to try to catch up to him. We're catching up, Heidi. See him? Hey, buddy. Hey, how's it going, big boy?
Where is he?
Okay.
Oh. He's going to go up on the dock.
How cool
Go
is
over
that?
there. Oh, he's awesome. Look how huge he is. He's so cute.
Oh, we're already here. We already hit China Cove. It's right here. In front of that blue-rimmed trimmed house. And maybe the sea lion will hang out with us.
There he is.
He's trying to get away. We're going to dock it on that reef and see if we can snorkel. Perfect. Oh, look at this reef right here. All right, I think it's about 3 feet deep. We can get across right here. Couldn't ask for better water conditions. Perfectly still. I am definitely going to snorkel here. This looks just like Pirates Cove. Look at that little beach right there. What do you think, guys? Is this pretty cool?
This is pretty neat.
A little bait fish right there. A little shallow on the left side.
No, those are mussels. Oh wait, there's some.
There might be $10.
Okay, wait, don't stop for me.
They are sand dollars.
Ooh.
We're talking
Should I put
100.
it in the water?
I'm gonna do it with the case. We got fish right here too. I'll get the case on and we'll film all the sand dollars.
Okay.
There's hundreds of sand dollars here, guys. So we're gonna park it on this little beach and take a break, have some water, and then we're gonna go back out there and show you what we find. I'm gonna put on my snorkeling gear and I'm gonna snorkel around this reef. And I did see some sand dollars, so I can't wait to show you those, guys. All right.
Down by the shore where we
Okay, we stepped in the shore, and right when we put our feet on the sand, it goes down like 6 to 8 inches, and something started to sting our feet. So we did read about or watched a video where there's these stinging, like sand crabs, and they bite you. So I think they have them here. So just be alert. It felt like a little pinch, like a little sting.
I mean, it wasn't horrible.
No, it wasn't horrible, but you did notice.
I started feeling a ton of them on my legs.
It might have been their little feet. You know, they have those little itchy claws, so it could have been their claws. All right, I'm gonna go snorkel. The reef here was very similar to Pirates Cove, super calm, clear, warm water, about 69 degrees this day. And there's fish everywhere, but what was unique here is the sand floor was covered with probably thousands of sand dollars. I've never seen one live before. I've only seen their shells, but they're actually brown. But you have to be a little careful if you handle them, and you're allowed to according to law. You just can't take them. But they have these little, I don't know what they're called, spikes or spines underneath. So grab them from the side if you want to look at it, and then gently place it back where you got it or close to it. China Cove is definitely a beginner spot. Tranquil water, no waves because of the jetty, and it's pretty easy to get to if you have a paddleboard. We just made a video about the 7 core essentials you need to have a successful day out on the water. If you're thinking about it, you may want to check out the video. It's not as hard as you think, and it's easy to get started, and we'll show you quite a few spots that are perfect for beginners. Well, our journey is going to continue. We're heading back onto the paddleboard, back over to Pirates Cove for a new perspective. Super quiet little cove, nobody here.
Very peaceful.
The only place that looks private is where all the chairs are and the layouts, but I think this beach is okay. I'll check it and let you know. Great little place to snorkel if you're a beginner. Super clear, little fish everywhere. It's filled with sand dollars. I didn't take any with me, but I showed you them up close, which I thought was fun. So we're gonna head down, see what else we find. Ready, Heidi?
I am ready.
All right, let me show them how I get on. I'm just gonna carefully just get back on. There we go. All right, Heidi, take us away. Let's get over this way if you can, because we're getting right close to the reef. I don't know, maybe the sand's real thick. It's funny because I thought they would lay flat on the sand, but they lay kind of going up, straight up. Half in the sand, half up. Over this way quickly. There we go. You got it. Cool. Maybe we'll catch up with that sea lion.
It was barking at the storm.
You're gonna have a lot of boats going by. Create a little bit of a swell, but nothing too bad. Perfect day.
Let's go by Pirates Cove.
You wanna go by Pirates? That sounds fun.
so fun sitting here,
You see the seagull?
letting Sean do all the work.
I'm having fun. I love it.
It is. It's a lot of fun.
Okay, what happens when you run into a buoy?
Ah!
That's what happens.
Whoops.
Nothing too bad. We're headed to Pirates Cove. Let's do it. Oh, such a beautiful day, guys. We got Pirates Cove coming up. We got all these reefs here. I'm gonna have to get in again.
I love this beach here for moms with their little kids. You can come here. It's very safe.
Look at, we got a cave in there.
Ooh.
What a trip. Okay, we're gonna go check out this cave over here. You gonna go all the way over, Heidi? Definitely want to bring your dry bag if you got, you know, phones or electronics, battery pack. Let's stay away from these rocks, Heidi. We're good, we're good. Woo! Scary. Keep paddling though, because we got another current. All right, I think that's about as close as we want to get.
Yeah, because it's getting kind of...
If a boat goes by, we'll get, you know, plummeted against the rock. Pretty cool. I don't know if you can see the cave. Very shallow.
Okay, we're turning around. Woo!
That was a little sketchy. I got a little sketched out there. Sorry, Heidi.
It's okay.
So do we want to go by the reef or you want to come into the sand?
No, I want to go by the reef.
All right, we're going to go by that outer reef. I'll tell you, this is one of the best adventure investments we've made so far. Wouldn't you say, Heidi?
Yes.
I think we paid
This is-
$169.
Yeah, it was well worth it.
And they're going on sale right now because the season's kind of the peak of the season's over.
I saw ones for 99 bucks. on
99.
Amazon.
You heard it from Hikebytes.
Yeah, but I don't know what the quality is, but do your research.
Yeah. Let's go on the outside, Heidi, because this reef gets a little shallow. So let's
Oh.
go on the outside. Hey, we got a shovel here. Let me pick it up.
There is a boat coming, and I don't know if it's going to slam us into.
All right.
Do you want to have the paddle? or-
Sure, sure. Here's the camera. We'll switch. Got it? So I did a lot of snorkeling on this side of the reef. It's about 10 feet deep. You see the fish?
Yeah.
So this is where I came, Heidi. Look at all this sand dollars.
Whoa.
Got about 15, 20
Oh my
sand
gosh,
dollars.
it's so weird how they're like straight up.
I know. So when it's high tide, you can cross this reef.
Let's go along the jetty.
Yeah. Look at how many fish are here, Heidi.
I know. I want to come here and snorkel this afternoon. Can we do that?
We can snorkel right now. We'll just park it on the sand. Come right out.
I'm enjoying this.
We'll go kind of along the jetty for a little bit and then head back.
Yeah.
Look how many bait fish there are.
Oh wow. Look at them all. Oh my gosh.
How cool is that? Look at the color. Perfect green.
Oh, this is beautiful here.
Kind of gives you a good idea where to snorkel later, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Let's come in very carefully.
I definitely want to come back here this afternoon. And look at this little pool over here. Let's check this out.
Okay.
That is cool.
So maybe we can snorkel around here
Yeah.
and come into this little pool. It has a little surge, but nothing too bad.
Yeah.
Check it out. Oh,
Oh, this is so neat.
that's a little dangerous, but
Yeah, it could when like a boat comes.
I could get stuck in there. And look at how cool this is right here. We can even launch right there. You know what? Let's see if there's good snorkeling along the jetty. I've
I
always
know.
wondered.
Me too.
So this is new to us, guys. We have no idea if there's fish that hang around here. I mean, I have seen a little bit, but maybe there's a lot.
Yeah. Well, we've seen Garibaldi. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
I got it.
Whoa.
I'm gonna stand up so I can see more.
Okay.
If you can extend it. It has an extension. So we're taking a good look around the jetty, and it appears to have all kinds of little fish, nothing major. Super clear water. All right, we're coming into Pirates Cove now. We're gonna park it and come back and snorkel this reef right here. We're gonna check out all the sand dollars we saw. I love it that you can just park it where you want, stop. The only thing we didn't bring was snacks, so
Yeah.
next time we can bring a few snacks.
You think it's okay to put it there?
All right.
Is the tide coming in or
No,
not?
it's going back, low tide, going low tide.
Let's put it over there in the corner.
All right, we made it. So where are we gonna snorkel, Heidi?
All around here.
All right. All right. Let's do it. So we're getting ready to head back. Had a little bit of snorkeling at Pirates Cove, but the problem was my case got wet when we were splashing around, so I couldn't get any underwater footage. But we're gonna head back. Let's do it.
Let's go.
Let's go. If you'd like to start snorkeling, we did a how-to video right here in this cove at Pirates Cove, Corona Del Mar, California. I'll put a link in the vid description for you, and you can check it out. Just about every day of the year, you will find peaceful, calm conditions here because of the jetties. We highly recommend it for beginners in paddleboarding or in snorkeling. And again, we have a beginner paddleboard video you can check out as well if you think you'd like to add this gear to your adventure lifestyle. So we're heading back to Tilda Cove. It's a nice little day out on our new paddleboard. Hey buddy! Good day to ya. Good day, mate. You get any fish today? Yeah? Alright. Carry on. Nope, not as fuzzy. Heidi's getting tricky. Look at this. She's getting confident in her skills. Woohoo! Uh-oh. Ah! Thank you. Good save. I was a little worried. Well, we're making our way back to Tilda Beach, and that's going to conclude this snorkel paddleboard adventure with Hikebytes. Glad you came along, and we had a lot of fun. It's a really peaceful day. Very little wind, very little waves. So, yeah, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one, guys. We're taking it home. Until your next adventure, explore nature with us at Hikebytes, one bite at a time. See you on the next one. We've landed. Thanks for joining us, guys.